difficult to clean inside the tubes? Well, not anymore. Presenting to you, Tubemaster, from mycon, thorough cleaning across the tubes. The patented Tubemaster process gently cleans shell and tube heat exchangers and individual tubes with compressed air and dry ice, or various granulates. Here, we have an animation of what happens inside the tube while using the Tubemaster. The Tubemaster nozzle is guided through the tube to be cleaned at the speed required to remove the residues by means of a special adapter which is pressed manually or automatically onto the tube mouth. The Tubemaster comes in two versions, Tubemaster and Tubemaster AS. The Tubemaster is the manually operated version, which needs an operator. The Tubemaster AS is the semi-automatic version, which requires only minimal operator involvement. Grab your Tubemaster now. Get in touch with us. And do follow us on X, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube.